We're cleaning the F12 and the Lamborghini Huracan, which got massively dirty when we took them up to Peterborough recently on a road trip. So we've got First Choice Detailing in, our good friends there, to come in and do a full maintenance wash on both of them, get them nice and clean. First stage really is to prepare the wheels. So wheels are being done, lathered, jet washed. So expert use of the wheel woolies, wheel woolies, not willies. Gets into all the cracks, cleans out all the dirt. The brake calipers and alloy wheels are cleaned, including the backs and inners, with a pH neutral wheel cleaner. Tyre walls and wheel arches are also cleaned, as together with door and boot shuts cleaned and rinsed. Pressure pre-wash just to clean off all the loose dirt. Then it's onto the mighty snow foam, sprayed all over the car. Our good friends at First Choice Detailing are doing a fantastic job cleaning the cars. They've just lathered both of them with a special G-Technic solution. This gets right down to the dirt, gives it a good old soak, gets right into the crevices, and then it's washed off. The car is then given a high pressure rinse to remove all the surface grit. And this is followed by a hand wash using pH neutral shampoo using the 2-bucket method. And for those of you that don't know the 2-bucket method, use the first bucket to rinse the dirty cloth once you finish with it. So you take the cloth out of the bucket, you put it into the soap, you lather the car, and then you put it back into the plain water bucket to remove all of the grease and dirt and grit before you then put it back into the shampoo. And this means that the shampoo is free from bits of grit which could scratch the car. If you're just using soap and a sponge, like most people do with their cars, all you're doing is moving the dirt and grime and grit around the car. You're not actually removing it from the car. You're just leaving it on the paint, causing more damage. And with both cars starting to look fantastic, it's a final jet wash to clean them off prior to the drying process. Both vehicles are then dried using soft microfiber towels and also compressed air. Absolutely spotless. Look at that, after 2 hours hard work by the First Choice Detailing guys, the two cars are now pretty much finished. Final polish and then we're done, just as darkness falls. Hope you've enjoyed the video guys and this insight into the high-end detailing market, what it's like to have your supercars detailed properly and washed properly. Please subscribe, leave comments and likes, we very much appreciate it, and there'll be another video along soon.